Not be gone una see for my hand. Pastor Paul Adefarasin. Welcome to Synod Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Put on your notification button. E go give you notice of our update. Like, comment, and share our videos. Country people, e get one viral video when e come out recently of one content creator when he love to dey do content with flashy vehicles. And so the vehicle of Pastor Paul Adefarasin come dey pass. Now the content creator come focus on the vehicle. Now there where the pastor come reach where the content creator dey, he come wind down in glass. He come point something to the content creator when they allege say na gun, pistol. Now there the content creator come apologize to am. The pastor come wind up, he come drive go. As this video hit the net, na so everybody come dey agitated. Say pastor don dey carry pistol. And the understanding when people get, say pistol not dey among the firearms when federal government dey license for citizens dem, except na military officers or very important personalities. And the tori understanding be say na only the president and commander-in-chief na dey fit dey approve pistol for any individual. So for the pastor to dey wield pistol allegedly though, e get as e be. E dey use pistol to threa ten the content creator make e no film am. If e film am, e go shoot am. Or wetin be the thing when im show when people now dey claim say na pistol. And of course, una go know say recently e come be like say the social media dey target men of God in quote. Videos of pastors dem when e dey make some statements, when e dey ignite fire for social media, e dey everywhere. This one come dey join am now. E come dey be like say wetin dey happen to Nigeria renowned pastors dem. Why they dey always dey inside the news for things when people believe say they no even get much to do with the gospel. Now there, the pastor now, Paul Adefarasin, when he be the senior pastor and founder of House on the Rock, he don come out to come address this viral video when he dey show am say im carry wetin look like pistol. The video, although e begin dey circulate on Friday after they post am for X when e be formerly Twitter, and they credit am to the Lagos-based content creator when they know well well say e dey film exotic cars. The caption of the video is say Adefarasin allegedly flashed him a gun for filming his car. And for that 10-second clip, na one Range Rover na dey see am inside. When he slow down, when he reach where the videographer dey. like we talked before, the tinted window come roll down. E come prompt the content creator to salute the pastor when e show. But Adefarasin come interject and e come tell am some things when e not dey loud. Na there e come flash wetin look like firearm. The man come apologize. Adefarasin come drive go. On Saturday, Adefarasin come deny say e no wave gun at the man o, e no threaten the man with gun. According to his statement, he say una go dey aware of one video when e dey circulate online, when e dey show me for wetin some people don misunderstand say I dey show firearm, pistol. Say I want to assure all of una say that thing no be firearm o. At no point I point gun at anybody. The pastor come talk say he go speak briefly on wetin he call mischief during Sunday service. This statement now of the pastor, he don dey give the second side to the story, because story e get three sides. The side of the content creator, the side of the pastor, and wetin be the truth. However, people dey give their responses based on how they think the matter be. After all, opinion dey free. Somebody dey say, where DSS, where una dey? Say make una no look elsewhere o. All these ones na insecurities when e don dey blow. Others dey say the Nigerian situation now don reach where they go legalize firearm sef, make everybody dey carry. Like VDM dey talk when e visit one country, when e dey for one gun shop, when they say if every Nigerian get license to carry firearm, the threat of insecurity e go come down. Because when you know say your neighbor get the power to eliminate you too as you plan for am, there go be mutual respect. But opposers of that view, now for situations like this, where for any small disagreement, somebody go just fit kpai another person. Just like wetin they claim say e happen for this video. For somebody just dey do video and the other person e dey brandish wetin people dey take say na gun. Although he don come out now say no be gun. And the pastor too, he not tell people wetin he show the video grapher when he dey video am, whether na Bible or na olive oil or na mantle or na handkerchief. He not talk now. He only say he not brandish weapon, and that he go talk about the matter briefly for a service on Sunday. Well, na to wait to hear wetin in talk. Now we go take know wetin actually they show that videographer when he go mistakenly video the pastor Range Rover, because he niche for social media na to the video exotic cars. Country people, now the story we bring be this.